This is a guided hypnosis where we're going to scan our minds and do a little cleanup. And we can start by taking a deep breath. And after that we breathe out slowly. And take a deep breath in again and breathe out slowly. And we're now going to enter the silence. Visualize the word silence and look at it strongly. And with your strong intent, say to yourself, silence 3 times. Silence, silence, silence. You have entered the silence successfully. Now, as you are completely relaxed, I want you to scan your mind from top to bottom and recognize if there is anything that needs to be straightened out. See if there is anything that you are holding on to, anything you would benefit from letting go of. Could there be anything you feel sad about, upset about, anything that is making you angry? Do you recognize any judgment or any darkness whatsoever? Any lower frequencies? I want you now to start running the pillar spin and let it grow as thick and wide and strong as it wants to. Visualize a pillar spin of bright, beautiful, strong source energy running throughout your body, from above your head and below your feet. And let it grow as strong as it wants to. Let it grow wider, let it spin faster, and see how it starts to clean your energies. And at the same time, increase your source energy. As you recognize anything that you want to let go of, you can see that the pillar spin is taking care of it right away. It is cleaning it instantly. And wherever there were darkness, wherever there was something you held on to, it is now source energy. It got cleaned away, right away. Now keep scanning your energies, keep scanning your mind, and see how the pillar spin is cleaning away anything that must be let go of, right away, instantly, easily, powerfully. Now make sure that your breathing is slow and calm. Recognize how the pillar spin has grown faster, stronger, more bright. And now again scan your mind. Is there any place, anywhere, that there is something that you would benefit from letting go of? Any low frequencies? Any anger, jealousy, irritation? Anything you're holding on to? And see how it got cleaned right away. As you noticed it and were honest with yourself and catched it out, the pillar spin could reach it and clean it out. It will clean anything that you discover, amongst all the things that it takes care of outside of your awareness. It's cleaning and cleaning, increasing your alignment, your wholeness, letting go of things that must be let go of. And as you are scanning and finding more things, it is cleaning that too, making you more whole, more complete, here and now in this moment, more powerful, more strong, more at ease, in a higher frequency. And now recognize how the pillar spin has grown even stronger. Now scan your mind again. Recognize the area of your mind that is committed to being in the highest frequency. Is there anything there that needs to be cleaned? Are you in any way holding on to lower frequencies? Are you willing to hold it with an open hand? And see there how things got cleaned away right away. See how you're more powerful now, more at ease, more happy. Recognize that all things should be held with an open hand, so that you can be well, so that you can be healthy, so that you can be strong, joyful, happy, here and now in this moment. And there really was no good reason to hold on to anything. It's nice to see it go. It's enjoyable to grow. It feels great to finally catch things that didn't serve you. and see that your powerful pillar spin is cleaning it away right away. How fascinating it is how quickly you can grow, how quickly you can let go of things. Now scan your mind again. Is there anything that you would benefit from cleaning away? There, it cleaned it right away. And there also, it got cleaned right away. And up there, it got cleaned. Down there, that got cleaned. You're becoming completely clean now. You're having the experience of being more clean than you have ever been. And whenever you find even the smallest little thing, it's getting cleaned right away. Bigger things are getting cleaned right away. Anything you're holding on to is now being held with an open hand, and you're happy to see it go. You can continue running the pillar spin for as long as you want, and you have now recognized how powerful it is and how efficiently it works. And if you want to, you can recognize how this is something that you are deciding to do to clean your energies. Now you can visualize the word silence again and tell yourself with your strong intent, silence 3 times. Silence, silence, silence. Are you in any way holding on to lower frequencies? Are you willing to hold it with an open hand? And see there how things got cleaned away right away. See how you're more powerful now, more at ease, more happy. Recognize that all things should be held with an open hand. As you noticed it and were honest with yourself and catched it out, the pillar spin could reach it and clean it out. It will clean anything that you discover, amongst all the things that it takes care of outside of your awareness. It's cleaning and cleaning, increasing your alignment, your wholeness, letting go of things that must be let go of. And as you are scanning and finding more things, it is cleaning that too, making you more whole, more complete, here and now in this moment, more powerful, more strong, more at ease, in a higher frequency.